Hello and welcome back to Gbpusd Xauusd. This is another week, another new week, another weekly outlook on our forex pairs and gold. So this week we'll be looking on GBPUSD, GBPJPY and gold. So we'll start this analysis on GBPUSD and this is monthly time frame. But before we start, I would like to teach you one thing, which is very important. Structure and trends. That is normally what market use. Okay, so what do I mean by structure? Let me show you. When market is moving in a trend, it always creates structures. So market moving this way, when market is moving in a lower trend, downward momentum, market goes by creating structures and breaking it, creating lower low and lower highs. Okay, so pay attention so that you understand this. This is lower low now, and this is lower high. It created another one, lower low. This is how market moves. At times it can create like this, equal lower high, and it continue again, create another lower low. Okay, so this trend will continue to be in downtrend until a lower high is broken. What do I mean by a lower high is broken? Keep watching what I'm doing. Until market come and close above this region, this place is lower high. If market close above it like this, that means that this downtrend is officially coming to an end. At this point, you'll be looking for a way to join this market. Is either you use a breaker block here, or you use inverse head and shoulder here, or you use double bottom. This is basically what this market will use, and then reverse. What do I mean? Let me show you. Market come here and reverse and start moving up. So this is how market moves. Okay. So when I say reversal pattern, market can use double top, double bottom. This is what I mean by double bottom. You can see that these two are touching each other. Market can use this pattern and reverse and start going up. Okay. Secondly, market can use inverse head and shoulder. This is inverse head and shoulder. This is left shoulder. This is right shoulder. And this is head shoulder. Let me use this now and show you. This pointer, this place is now is the left shoulder. And this is the head. And this is the right shoulder. So market can use this pattern and reverse. Or market can use breaker block. This place now. The last green candle that form when this market is coming down is called the breaker block at this region. When this price is coming down like this, the last green candle that form here before this price start coming down is called the breaker block. Okay, so market can reverse using these forms, these three forms that I've shown you. So now let's go to the real action. So GBPUSD monthly time frame. If you notice in the monthly time frame, we're having downward momentum. Market was pushing down, create this lower low and create a lower high here. But the market couldn't continue going down. Rather, market came here, pushed to this zone and start moving up, thereby breaking and closing above this lower high. Okay, so in a monthly time frame now, we have seen that the market is doing what? Tinting towards upwards. That means the trend is gradually changing to uptrend. So now let's go to weekly time frame and see how we can join this movement towards up direction. So in a weekly time frame, you can see that the market is supporting the monthly time frame, which is uptrend. The market is moving, creating higher high and higher low. This is high and this is higher low. This is higher high and this is higher low. This is another higher high and this is higher low. The market has created higher low. So at this higher low, what are we expecting? We're expecting to see price action here before we decide whether we will buy or not. So let's go to daily time frame and see how that price action will emanate. Okay, so this is daily time frame. Also in the daily time frame, the daily time frame is supporting weekly and monthly, which is all of them are pointing up. What do I mean? You can see market is creating higher high and higher low, higher high here and higher low, and this is another higher high. So in a daily, market has put up a equal low. Okay, this is higher low. So market is supposed to go and create either higher high or equal high. Okay, so but now let's see how we can take advantage of this up direction and see how we can buy at this zone. But that will take us to daily 4-hour time frame. That's where we'll be taking our entry on a 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame, we'll be picking up our entry on this zone. So we will allow this price to do what? Because market has created lower low and it's going to do what? Create another lower high. So we'll see what will happen here. If price will break above here, if price break and close above this lower high, then we'll wait for price to come down for we'll buy. Let me show you how it will look like. So let this price break and close above this lower high. Let it break and close above. If price come back here, we will buy to this zone. Okay. Yes, this is how we buy GBP USD. Our interest in GBP USD is a buy. This is our interest in GBP USD. So buy. We are buying there. Our next target is at this zone. So we'll be risking 1% of our account on this trade and we'll be targeting 5.6%. So this is how we tell GBP USD coming this week. So our next pair is gold. So let's move to gold and see what gold is giving us. So on a monthly time frame, gold is very, very bullish. You can see it without telling you. You can notice that the price is moving up. So in monthly time frame, gold is bullish, uptrend. Let's go to weekly time frame and see how we can join this movement. So in a weekly time frame, gold is very bullish, breaking and closing above this weekly resistance. Okay. So our interest is to allow price to come back to this zone before we buy. So let's go to daily time frame and see how we can take this advantage. So daily time frame is still what very, very bullish. You can see it's creating higher high and creating higher low. And market has created another higher high. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for a higher low. If price come back here, we'll buy to up. But we'll not buy on a daily time frame. We'll go to 4-hour time frame for another look. So this is 4-hour time frame. It's becoming very clear now. What do we need to see in 4-hour time frame? Allow this price to slide down to this zone, touching this red candle. You can see red candle, this red candle here. When price comes here, if you're an aggressive trader, you buy. Okay. But if you're not aggressive trader, what will you do? You wait. Come down to what? 1-hour time frame. Come down to 1-hour time frame and allow price to create structure. What do I mean by structure? Allow price to create structures. Lower low, higher, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Trade into this zone and break and close above this lower high. Allow price action to happen within this zone. We can use breaker block, we can use inverse head and shoulder, and we can use equal low pattern to do what? To trade it. Depending on the price action I'll be seeing here, then we'll buy from this zone and move the market to this zone. So this is how exactly how we trade gold this coming week. So our next on the line is GBPJPY. That is our next pair on the line. So GBPJPY starting from the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame on GBPJPY, the market is uptrend. How do I know? Because it's creating higher high, higher low. This is higher high, this is higher low. Another higher high, and it created another higher low, equal low here. And where is it going? It's going to go and create another equal high or another higher high. So our weekly bias on GBPJPY is bullish. So let's go to daily time frame and see how we can trade this towards the direction the market is moving. So this daily time frame, the daily time frame is supporting the weekly time frame by creating higher high and higher lows. You can see it here. It's creating higher high and higher lows, creating another higher high. So maybe gold GBPJPY can pull back to this zone. It can pull back to this zone before going to this direction. But our interest is to buy. And where are we expecting to buy? Let's go to 4-hour time frame and see where we can buy this GBPJPY. So in a 4-hour time frame, wait for this price action to happen. Two things. First, allow price to break and close above here. If price manage to break and close above here, that means we have free movement to continue buying. Then we allow it to do what? To retrace back, to put back to this zone for our entry. You know our entry confirmation here. We can use price action, okay, or we can use bullish engulfing candle on a 4 hour, okay. So buy from this zone and move up. This is how we'll buy GBP JPY, okay. Or because we're expecting this price to continue buying, this price can actually come down to this zone. But if you come down to this zone, we'll use price action to buy. We'll use price action to buy. Allow price to put inside this region and break and close above this lower high. As the price is coming back here, we can use breaker block here. We can use inverse head and shoulder here. We can use equal low here to buy, depending on the candlestick that we are seeing. So we use candlestick confirmation for our entry. So when price action is happening, we'll be looking at candlestick formation that is happening around this region. Then we will buy from this region. So these are two ways we can buy GBP JPY. Then what will make this trade invalid is only when this price break below here and start falling down. That means we will not buy. If this price, if price come to this zone and fail to change direction towards bullish momentum and continue coming down like this format, then we are not buying, okay, because the sellers have taken off. So at this moment, I'll be dropping this analysis here, waiting to see what will happen within the week. But this is how we trade these three pairs coming this new week. So if you like what you are seeing in this channel, kindly do what? Subscribe to my channel and share my videos so that others will see it. Also try to put your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I drop a new content. And if you have not joined our free Telegram channel, kindly join our free Telegram channel because I drop one or two signals every week on our free Telegram channel. You are not paying for those signals, and it's high quality signal that I will drop you because we are taking high quality thread. So see you guys in my next episode. Cheers.